SM tayo ngayon at naghahanap ako ng outside. Wala sa 7-Eleven. Eh, magmamatcha ako at nagtitipid ako. So, let's go. Guys, may outside. Kaso ang laki. Bibilin ko ba to? Hindi ko alam if bibilhin ko siya, guys. Ended up buying it. So, let's go ahead and buy toothbrush. So, ayan, binili ko na. Ay, malaki. Uwi ko na lang talaga. Tapos, let's buy toothbrush and toothpaste kasi nakalimutan ko din. Sobrang madali. Okay, bye! So, hi guys, I'm on a Sunday day today and ang itinerary, ang gagawin natin today is maglilinis lang ng bahay and magpo-post ng mga unsold items natin sa shop. So, let's go watch some B-rolls with me. Here is the tick niya. Ito yung mga from the Anik-Anik box ko kasi nagsisell ako ng Anik-Anik. Oh my God, can you see? Dami pa nito guys. Like, I don't know what to do with this. Is sellable ba or not? That's so many. So we're in shopping today. Maaga naman ako nag-RTO. So, kain muna. Guys, may day job din ako. Di lang ako content creator. My God, is coffee and then my chow. Here you go. Ayan guys, papunta na tayo ng office. Nakakatuwa yung iba. Nagmamadali, tas ako chill lang. Kahit medyo pa-late na tayo. Bye. I'm searching for best of luck. And there's a cute photo studio here. We're here, finally. Super sarap guys, ang best of luck. But I'm so full, so let's go to the office na. And there's a pottery shops over here. I'm going to do montage na lang. Ganda ng lens na binili natin, guys. This is 21.5 cm. CM?
Hindi naman po siguro
CM
confidential. Kasi
na.
ang confidential po mismo ay yung pagkakabita, hindi yung pagbibilan.
CM na. Puting A.
Cheers, tsaka desktop.
Perfection. Ang ganda. Naka-ultra tayo. But super nice.